Hey there, tech wizards in the making. Ever felt like your computer is stuck in molasses, buffering forever while you're trying to get things done? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're diving into how to troubleshoot a slow computer, covering both Mac and PC. Grab your virtual tool belt, because we're about to optimize and supercharge your system. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, Mac users, let's dive right in. Let's talk about multitasking. See any apps you don't need? Open. Use Command plus Q or right click and select Quit. Open Spotlight Search, type Activity Monitor and hit enter. Check what's using your CPU and memory. A clean, mean, multitasking machine is what we're going for. Let's talk about hidden files taking up space on your Mac. Cache files. Time for some digital cleaning. Open Finder, go to folder, and type in library caches. Delete unnecessary files and reclaim your storage space. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. If you're still experiencing sluggishness, it might be time for a restart. It's like hitting the refresh button, clearing out the cobwebs. Keep those apps in check, clear your cache, and stay updated. Your Mac will thank you. Alright, PC users, it's your turn. Get ready to speed up your system. Hit Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Head to the Processes tab to see what's running. Right click and select End Task for programs you don't need. Be careful with what you close. Let's head over to the Startup tab. This section shows all programs that launch at startup. Disable the ones you don't need. Right click and select Disable. Streamlining startup programs speeds up your PC. Let's do some digital spring cleaning with this cleanup. This Windows tool vacuums unnecessary files, freeing up space. Type this cleanup in your search bar and click the app. It'll scan for temporary files and other clutter. Select the files you want to delete. Be careful not to delete anything important. Running this cleanup regularly boosts your PC's performance. Keeping your Windows operating system up to date is crucial for optimal performance. Updates include bug fixes, security patches, and performance improvements. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and click Windows Update. Install any available updates. It's like giving your PC a tune-up. Let's give our PCs a good old-fashioned restart. Restarting can work wonders for speed and responsiveness. It's like clearing out the cache and closing lingering processes. Hit that restart button and watch your PC come back to life. And there you have it. Those steps will have your computer running like new. Before you go, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in. Stay awesome and blessed. Catch you in the next video. Check out the links below for guides and resources. Apple support, Mac running slow, Microsoft support, optimize Windows. Stay awesome. Daniel from Absolutely Focused Radio signing off.